In this video, I will show you how to create an event frame template. Before we do that, let's first have a look at the AVEVA database that we will work with, the PyBigTires database in PySystem Explorer. You can see that there is various pieces of equipment. We have 12 presses in 3 different locations: Houston, Montreal, and Philadelphia. When you select one of the elements and then go to the Attributes tab, you can see that each press has a press status attribute, which will indicate whether or not it's running or if it's experiencing a downtime event. And this is the type of information that we want to be able to track for each press with event frames. So, what's an event frame template and why do we need it? The event frame template specifies which attributes to capture for an event, in our case the press status, while the triggering of an event frame is basically what defines the start and end of the event and can be done with the event frame generation analysis. However, before you can set up that type of analysis, you need an event frame template, which is why we are starting right here. So, in order to create this template, I will go to Library and select the Event Frames Templates tab. Here I will choose New Template. The first thing I'll do is I will give the event frame template a name and a description to help keep track of things. I will name it Press Downtime and I will give it a description, Press Downtime Event. If we leave it like this, the naming pattern that will be applied to all event frames created with Asset Analytics will be name of the analysis dash start time. You can see an example on the screen. What we can do, however, is to use the naming pattern field. It enables you to dynamically build the name of the event frames produced from the template so that each event frame will have a unique name. You can enter a text string or click on the arrow on the right side to choose from the list of available substitution parameters to define a naming pattern. Let's look together at some of them. We have the event start time in a particular format, then we have the name of the event frame template, the reference element, so the asset where the event happened. Now, stop the video for a moment and think what naming pattern should we set so the downtime events are called something like the name you can see on the screen. I will write down the answer and let's break it down. We start with a text string downtime. Then we have the reference element, so the press name that is experiencing issues. We have the parent element, so the location of our product line, and then the event start time. To track whether the event frames were read by an operator, let's enable the Can Be Acknowledged option. I will now check in my changes. In this video, we created an event frame template. We gave it a name and a description, and we also used the substitution parameters to define the naming pattern for the event frames that will be produced from the template. We also enabled the Can Be Acknowledged option. In the next video, I will show you how to add attributes to the event frame template. I will leave a link for you in the video description. Thanks for watching.